Hey, thanks for tuning in to watch Bad Gas Productions. We're going to be changing up a little bit this time. Sully's going to give me a hand here. We're going to be working on this Subaru. So a little bit of a story to the Subaru. Back before Christmas, their family member was driving her along, and the car went and then shut off. So she went over to the side of the road there, and anyways, in the investigation we found that the motor was actually the pistons and the valves hitting together because the timing belt let go. So motor equals toast. But anyways, that was that problem. So for 4 or 5 weeks, had a hard time. These 2.5, 08, the 09 2.5 single overhead cam 4 cylinders for these Subarus, hard to find. Nova Scotia, Ontario, 200 and something, 250,000 K on it. This motor that I found in, actually was in Newfoundland, place where I'm born and raised. Found it in A1 Automotive in St. John's, had about 160K, so got it. So that was that problem figured out. Next problem, getting the motor from Newfoundland to Nova Scotia. So father pipes up, geez, I wouldn't mind going for a drive to St. John's, and then mother says, well, geez, I wouldn't mind going for a drive to St. John's either, spend some money. So they all hopped in the truck, went and got the motor from A1 Automotive, and brought it home. Jeff there, I grew up with, he drives a transport truck. So he took the motor, brought it over to the ferry, and brought it here. So that was great. Got the motor to Nova Scotia. That problem solved. Next problem, getting the motor out and getting it in. So Sully comes in hand there. He's wicked with the Subarus, any motor really. He's pretty good. Take that one, Sully. So I'm doing a little bit of a prep here tonight. Just got the car in here. She was sitting out front there for a while, and now it's in here, done a little bit of organizing and all ready for tomorrow. So tomorrow morning we'll start at it. Is it the 08 one? We do all this. That was my problem. I can picture it better because sometimes where long stuff stays so long. Here's how I struggle.
I go with my hair now and I'm like,
Yep.
I'm gonna use that.
I remember that. I can't remember. Remember that Duramax?
Oh my god.
That was the last model we did actually, the Duramax in the truck. That was fun. Yeah. I gotta look at the Audi too there, that front mount. I don't know, maybe look at it sometime. There she is on the cherry picker.
What?
Fresh from Newfoundland. Yeah. That's a big motor. Oh yeah.
They're wide.
Girthy.
Oh, and there's torque converter bolts. So there's 4 torque converter bolts on this generation Subaru. The newer ones have 6. Pain in my butt.
Always the way.
Always way.
Always throw something in there and pain your butt.
And they're really tight.
There's nothing there.
No compression.
No compressione.
It's usually when I think, let's go. I smash my elbow into something.
Boats come out.
Say funny words.
Yeah, really funny words. New words too sometimes.
That shovel's in.
That shovel. Pretty cool, you get that access holder. Oh, that's what tape was over. Gotcha, gotcha. So what you say was original there? Rubber.
Usually rubber plug.
Rubber plug makes sense. See? Yeah, mice no good. Mice no good. When you want to have now, Trey?
4.
Oh. What's the
Wanted to be supported, that's all.
what's that valve there?
What's these knobs? What?
What's this valve here? They don't need much. What are we doing? See what happens? I think we found the problem, boys and girls. Yep, Cheetos. So just broke, eh? Belt look new, or I suppose you never really know. Sin, like, what a sin. That cheap of a thing that takes out a really expensive motor. All right, so we had a good day. Good morning. Sully's fast. I was giving him a hand there, but he's good at this stuff. So turns out we got that motor out perfectly fine. Got this new one unbuttoned and started to have a look over it. It was supposed to be a really good motor, low mileage, you know, decently low mileage, 160 something motor. No issues. They looked it over, but now this thing's got some issues to her, and I'm gonna have to get a hold of these guys. So the normal thing is you got to do timing belt on it. This one's probably a piece of crap anyways. But anyways, we were doing that anyways. That's a given when it's out. But head gaskets, both side leaking. She's all leaking, dripping down there. This valve cover, 2 tabs are broke. These are welded. These lines here, these are really paper thin. Not much left on those, and they'll be leaking. Drop the valve guide, so that's machine work in this one that we can see of. Rear main seal's leaking. This seal here is leaking. I can't remember what else he said, but yeah, she's got some work. Definitely not what you would want to see in a premium purchase for one of these things. It was said to be looked over, and they wouldn't sell any motors that didn't kind of work out. So this definitely should have been brought up. Head gaskets, easily noticed, and stuff like that. The valve guides, Jay did a really quick look there, and he could see that there's something not right. So all these little things, rear main seal, all that stuff, it's all a visual thing that could have been done. Thanks for watching, folks. Tune in next time to see what we do with this P.O.S. motor that we bought. Thanks for watching.